Box. Today we're going to record a simple voice recording using the Voice Memos app. To find the Voice Memos app, go to the tray at the bottom of the Chatterbox window. Click on Voice Memos and you'll see a simple recording interface. To start recording your voice, click the red button on the left side of the screen. As soon as you click that button, you will see an image appear in the center of the screen, and that is a waveform. It shows you that the Chatterbox is picking up the sound of your voice. In order to pause, you can click the pause button, shuffle papers, or do whatever you need to do, and then click resume to start recording again. When you're done, click the done button. You now have a recording of your voice. Each of the recordings is going to be called the location of where you made that recording. So you'll want to change it to something that will help you remember what that recording is. I'm going to call this test recording. Now that it is saved as the test recording, it is saved only on the Chatterbox. If you want to save it to a flash drive or to one of our drives, the Chatterbox drive or the Stetson 150 drive, you will have to click the Control key on the keyboard and click. This will allow you to copy and then onto the desktop, paste the item. This turns your recording into a file that you can drag and drop either to the Chatterbox. This is a storage area where you can store things, again, only accessible in the Chatterbox, or you could also drag it to one of the locations like a flash drive that you have plugged into the Chatterbox into our USB hub. This is a simple way for you to make a one and done recording that allows you to record your voice and be finished with it quickly. It doesn't allow for any editing or in-depth work on the audio, but it is a quick and easy way for you to get your voice recorded in the Chatterbox. Thank you.